Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Quick French Learning with Shweta. So today we will talk about pronunciation, and if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to my channel. So pronunciation is the way in which the letter is said. Okay? That is your pronunciation. So let's get started. Firstly, in French, the letter H is mostly silent. As a letter, it has a sound, but in words, it is usually not pronounced. Okay? If the letter H is silent, we don't pronounce it in a word. We just pronounce after it. Okay? I will just give you examples for that for better explanation. So the examples are, first example is man, and man is om, and it is pronounced as om because H is silent here. And if H is silent here, then we don't pronounce it. Then another example, hotel, and we pronounce it as hotel. So it is hotel. Okay? Because again, H is silent in this word. Okay? Now, let's take another example for this. Okay, clock. For clock, we pronounce it horloge. Why? Because here also H is silent, and if H is silent, we pronounce it just after it. So it is horloge. Now, another thing, the letter T and D have a soft pronunciation, whereas when we speak it up in English, they have a hard sound. Okay, let's say it in English. It is T and D. So they both have a hard sound when we are pronouncing it. Okay, let's take some examples for that for your better explanation. So your examples for these are, your first one is tu. Tu is you, and when we are pronouncing tu, you are just listening it that tu has a soft pronunciation when we are pronouncing it. Okay, let's take another example, tomat. Tomat is your tomato, and we are pronouncing it tomat, and it still have a soft pronunciation. Okay, now let's just take another example for this, table, and we are pronouncing table as table. Okay, with a soft pronunciation, so we are pronouncing it as table. Okay, so it is table. Okay, now another example for this is disc, and how we pronounce disc in French, we pronounce it as disc. Disc. So it has a soft pronunciation. Okay, and when we call it in English, it is disc, which have a hard pronunciation. Now another example for this is dinner, and we pronounce dinner as dine. Okay, it also has a soft pronunciation. So these are your examples for your soft pronunciation for your letters D and T. Okay. Now another example, difficult. So difficult is your difficile. We pronounce it as difficile. Okay, difficile. It also has a soft pronunciation when we are pronouncing it. Now another thing is your letter C. If it is followed by the letters I and E, then it will sound like S. But it will sound differently like K somewhere else. When we are using it somewhere else, it will sound like K, and when the letters I and E are like in the word, it will sound like S. Okay, so for that I will give you examples. So for this, examples are, your first example is this, and this is sir. So it is pronouncing as sir. It has sir sound. Okay. Another example, this is also this, and it's in feminine form. So this is Seth. Seth. Another one, cider, which is Sidr. It is also, we are pronouncing it as Sidr, and it sound like S. Sidr. Now again another example, how, and how is como. We pronounce it as como, which sound like K. Cafe. It is also sounding like K, as I have said to you that it will sound like K somewhere else. So it is cafe. It is sounding like K. Again in cart also it is sounding like K. Cart. Cart is menu. Cart. Again another one. In French, ch, ch. You can say ch always has the sound of sh, not as it is in chair. Okay. For better explanation, let's have some examples for this. So first one is chaise. So, so it is sounding like sh. So it is chaise. Okay. Another example, chateau. Chateau is palace, and it is sounding like sh. Ch is sounding like sh. Chateau. Shante. Ch is sounding like sh. Sh. So we will pronounce it as Shante, which is your singer. Shante. Again, another example is hat, which we pronounce it as chapeau. Ch is sounding like sh. Sh. So it is chapeau. Okay. So people, if you like my video, hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe to my channel, which is Quick French Learning with Shweta.